Hello dear student, I am Rajwant Singh from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Bhola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I will explain lesson first, the wonder of class 7. R.J. Palacio is the writer of this lesson. Palacio is an American writer and illustrator of Colombian ancestry. She started her career as an illustrator and went on to write and illustrate children's books like Peter Pan, The Original Tale of Neverland, Ride Baby, Ride Baby Ride, Look Baby Look, The Night Before Christmas, The Handiest Things in the World, and Last Summer. Her debut novel Wonder was first published in the month of February 2012. It has since been published in 45 countries and has sold over 5 million copies all over the world. In addition to Wonder, Palacio has also written 365 Days of Wonder, Mr. Brownies, The Julian Chapter, Pluto, and Singaling, and a picture book, We Are All Wonders. This is about the writer of Wonder. And dear student, I want to explain about the lesson first, Wonder. August is a small kid and he thinks that he is not an ordinary boy. He is not an ordinary kid like the other kids because he had 27 surgeries in his body, in his face, and after these surgeries his parents cares him extra, so he thinks that I am not an ordinary kid but I am extraordinary kid. This is because he says, I am the ordinary boy. I, I eat ice cream, I play ball, I ride bike like the other kids. But my parents think that I am not an ordinary boy because they cares me extra. I am not permitted to go to school. I am not permitted to go to play in the field. And if anyone gets rude behavior with me, then my sister Vaya also gets annoyed and became angry because she doesn't want that my brother should be panic because of his appearance. because of his appearance. And I have told you already that the August has 27 surgeries till he was born. So this is a medical wonder because after 27 surgeries he is like the normal kids. And his mother homeschooled him. He taught him the books and illustrators, etc. She doesn't want to send him to school because she knew that he is an extraordinary kid. He is not an ordinary kid like the other kids because he has 27 surgeries till he was born. In the age of 10 years, you can say that in the age of 10 years, he has 27 surgeries. And this is the too much for a kid. So, his friend Summer is his friend, and she thinks August is a good boy, good kid. August is a nice kid, and his behavior is very nice because he was full of fun. He is a funny boy, and he says anyone don't teach him because August is a very good and very funny boy. If you stay with him sometime, then you can say that this boy is very funny. And he calls August to his home for dinner. And he says to his mother about August. And she says that don't be annoyed and don't ask anyone about August, because she knew that her mother was not so comfortable in these matters. So my dear student, she says in the last, and when her mother came into the room, she saw August and became very excited to know about his appearance. And she says something, but at that time, just Summer said about this. When August was calling to his mother, Summer told about August to her mother. And after that, her mother behaved normally with August, and they completed their project. And after completing the project, they hanged out in their living room. And at the last, Summer wants to ask some question to August. August replies very simply, ask me questions, I am ready to give the answer. As if he knows the question what he is going to what she is going to ask. And after this, Summer hesitated in asking questions, but August himself said, "Do you want to know about my appearance, about my face? My face is like this because of 27 surgeries. This is the medical wonder. I am in the rare medical condition, and there is 27 surgeries in my face because I cannot pronounce the words well." And he say that I make a fun, and they both began to laugh. This is the whole story. So my dear student, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.